Number 21, Atelier of Power, Event Producer Series. Number 21, called Promoters' Belief Systems. Now, the human mind just adores making up beliefs to feel comfortable about whatever energy happens to be around. However, the fact is most beliefs are just made up because the person is feeling something, and the mind just does this, and some belief appears. So sometimes a promoter will believe something. For example, you have to give an introductory lecture, and then that brings people, or you have to do a book launch, then that brings people. Oh no, it's close to Carnival, nobody will come when it's close to Carnival. And all of these beliefs are beliefs, and often they may come true because the person claims that they're true, but that does not actually mean there was some external reality related to that belief, but simply that the promoter believed something. Now, almost every promoter I have met believes you can't have a workshop 2 weeks before Christmas. Vistar in Porto Alegre, had the first time ever he organized for me. He had 35 people booked in the room 2 weeks before Christmas. The time is not supposed to be possible, and 22 on the waiting list. Actually, the one mistake Vista made was he told me the room was 60 square meters when it was 160 square meters, so we didn't allow the other people in the room, which could actually have fit. 60 square meter room will hold a limit of 35 people, and actually was more than twice the size that he was guessing. Once again, that was just a belief as how many square meters is a room. You can actually go measure it or ask the owner of the room. That's much better than believing the size of the room. Promoters can believe that people don't have money, that they do have money. They can believe that there's a financial crisis, and that means people won't come. And another will believe there is a financial crisis, so people need better value for money, so therefore this is where they will come. And it's simply necessary to select what belief you want that gets the result, so that things actually happen. Because almost every belief has no external foundation, that simply the mind makes up a story to explain some type of feeling. And the people may have a type of feeling, like they're nervous, that they wish something would change, and that feeling experienced by one organizer could be, people want to change, that we need to get them to fill up the workshop right now, or people are feeling nervous, no, it's the wrong season. Based on the same feeling can produce totally different beliefs from one person to another. Such beliefs are just paradigms, they're just ideas, and select the ones which will actually get the result that is required.